Hey guys, my name is Damien Belak. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make money with CPA marketing and Craigslist. Now before I show you how to do so, I want you to hit that subscribe button below this video to support this channel because I'm uploading consistently every week 1 or 2 videos. So guys, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and comment what you think about this method. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go to Craigslist.org. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. Craigslist, click on Craigslist.org. Now what you want to do first, on the right side here, you can see your Craigslist location. So you want to do US cities and click a big city in the US. So for this example, I'm going to choose Los Angeles, but you can do Atlanta or New York, whatever you like. Just make sure it's a big city with big population. So Los Angeles, LA. Now what you want to do is obviously create an account. So if you don't already have an account, make sure to click on my account. All right, since I already have an account, I'm logged in, but make sure to create an account. It's completely free. All you need is an email address and a password. All right, so once you have an account, go to the dashboard and you should see something like this down here, gigs. Okay, so since we're in the CPA marketing business, we want to give people something for free, or we want to give some people an opportunity to make money online or something like that. So go to gigs and click on computer or labor. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to click on computer. So what you want to do here is you can see all of these computer gigs that people are posting. Okay, so for example, $70. This is probably a CPA offer somebody is promoting. iPhone users needed for audio conversion technology project. Maybe not. Make $50 with a few clicks. But you can see there's a bunch of ads on Craigslist, and a lot of these guys are CPA offers. Okay, a lot of people are promoting CPA offers on Craigslist. So for this example, I'm gonna go online. All right, so online jobs, and for example, earn $10 Amazon card for 10 minutes of gameplay LA. So this is 100% a CPA offer. So let's look at this ad posted 4 days ago. We are looking for beta testers across the nation to test our virtual world. Requirements: 50 minutes of your time, PC, Mac, browser, or iPhone. Available online for 10 minutes gameplay and 5-minute online survey afterwards. So obviously it's an online survey and it's an online game. So this is 100% a CPA offer. So now we want to create something similar, all right? Because if it's working for somebody else, it's going to work for us. We don't want to reinvent the wheel. We don't want to, create something impossible. We want to simply piggyback, copy what's already working. So let's copy or model this person's advertisement. So now what you want to do is click on go back, all right? Go back. All right, go back again. Now click on computer again, and up here you can see a little button, post. Okay, so we're gonna click that button, and we want to create an ad. Okay, so choose the location that fits best. Now at the beginning of the video, I told you to click on a big city, a big location. So I'm in LA right now, and I'm gonna click on West Side, South Bay, 310. For example, now I'm gonna click on what type of posting is this? Job offered, no. Gig offered, yes. So this is a gig. Which of these applies? I want to hire someone. I have a service to offer. All right, let's do I have a service to offer. Automotive service, beauty, no. Small business ads. This is exactly what we're looking for. And now this is where we create an actual ad. So you can simply copy it, okay? We can copy it. We're going to be editing this in a second. So city or neighborhood is Los Angeles. Postal code is we can search it up real quick like this, LA postcode. All right, now we're gonna paste it in there. Description, we can simply copy it, right? Or you can edit it small if you want. Edit it small bit if you want, but I'm gonna leave it like this. CL mail relay recommended, you want to click on this. Show my phone number, no. All of the replies we're going to be getting from people, there's a button right here. Okay, so if I wanted to earn a $10 Amazon gift card, I would click on reply. I would message him that I'm interested and he would email me back with the link. Okay, so it's really simple. So you don't want to click on this button because you don't want people messaging you, calling you, whatever. Okay, so we want simple emails. Location, offered in person, offered virtually, show address. All right, this one. Okay, now what you want to do is click on continue. Okay, continue, and you can simply add an image of an Amazon gift card, or you can use you don't want to use the same image, so just search up Amazon gift card on Google. Gift card like this. Okay, let's just do this one, simple. Save image, desktop, boom, close this. Now add image, click the image you want to add, there it is. Now you want to go done with images, and boom, there we go. This is our ad. Obviously it's not for free, but it's 100% worth it, guys. $5 for a 30-day ad on Craigslist is a huge amount of traffic that you can potentially get. All right, there's a huge amount of people that search through Craigslist that are interested in these types of small offers, you know, $10 gift cards, Amazon, whatever, Walmart. So guys, it is completely up to you if you want to use this method, but this is highly recommended. Now what you want to do is actually find this exact offer. Okay, so go into your CPA network. I don't know if you use MaxBounty, that's what I use, CPA Grip, or I don't know, AdWork Media, whatever CPA marketing network you use. Log in to that network and search for a similar offer. Okay, and if you have a offer but it's not like, for example, $10 Amazon gift card, but it's like $5, so just simply change this number. So I'm gonna hop into my MaxBounty account and we're gonna look for a similar offer, or maybe we're gonna find this exact offer. Okay guys, so I just logged into my MaxBounty dashboard, and what you want to do now is click on browse down here. Okay, so we're gonna browse and we're gonna search for this exact $10 Amazon card CPA offer. Okay, so click on browse, and you can search for it down here, or you can simply go to search and enter the Amazon gift card. Okay, so 1000 Amazon gift card, Australia. No, we want to go United States, so we're gonna click on United States. Okay, and we have a bunch of them here, actually only 4, but that doesn't matter. And now what you want to do is let's look at this one. Email incentive, no. Okay, so we can use this one, or this has a $250 per lead, or we can use this one. Alright, so no email, so we can't use this one. Actually, let's look at this one. All right. No email. So we're gonna have to use this first one because this has email traffic allowed. So this is $250 per lead. Okay, and we're gonna build the tracking link right now. Okay, so it's email, raw link, and there we have it. Okay, and now what you want to do is, this says users can sign up for this easy once page, submit, complete a survey for a chance to get an Amazon gift card, no usage of word free. So now we want to make sure that we don't use any words that have any free words. Okay, so we don't have anything like that in here. Okay, and now we have a different offer. Okay, so this is a earn $10 Amazon gift card, but we have a win. This is a survey. This is a win Amazon gift card. So we want to change it up a small bit. Okay, so we want to change it up a small bit. We want to change up the ad so it suits the offer. Okay, and now once we post that offer, okay, we can click on the publish button and it's going to be published to Craigslist, and people are going to see this offer. And every time somebody clicks on reply, you're going to get an email with the email you sign up with. So we're going to get an email inside your Gmail account, and all you want to do is reply with this link. Okay, you want to copy this link and you want to send them this exact link. You can change it up with bit.ly or something. You can go to bit.ly, bit.ly, and shorten this URL so it doesn't look this sloppy. And you can simply send them this URL. Every time somebody replies, you send them this URL, they're gonna fill it in. Since they're from LA, this is a US traffic, this is US countries allowed, so you're gonna get $250 for every single lead. Okay. Now guys, the secret with Craigslist is to post as much ads as possible. So different types of Craigslist ads, or you can do you don't have to do Amazon, you don't have to do this one. This was just an example. You can do trending or top. There's where is it? Inbox dollars. You can do this one, guys. You can make an ad. This is not email, but you can search for a similar one. You can do something like inbox dollars, and you can okay, see this, guys, this is email. You can do something like this. This is a double opt-in, US $640 per lead. This is pretty good. And you can create an ad around this offer. So make earn money, take surveys, get paid. You can make an ad like this on Craigslist, and every time somebody replies to your ad, you can send them this exact link, and you're gonna make $640 per lead. And look at this, guys, 200 actions per day, daily cap. So there's huge potential. So imagine all the people that would be signing up, taking surveys, getting paid. A lot of people would be interested in this offer. You can just simply send them the link, and it's really not hard to make $1,000, $500, $1,000 every single month with just this method alone. Now guys, thank you so much for watching, but before you exit this video, if you want to start a profitable business from home, speed up the process, and stop watching useless YouTube videos that simply don't work, if you want to speed up the process and start earning as soon as possible, check out the first link below this video and get access to my CPA Marketing Mastery free traffic course. It is packed with a bunch of value. You're going to learn everything about CPA marketing from A to Z. And this is a free traffic course. So once you buy this course for just $37, all right, just $37, where is it? Down here, only $37. You don't have to invest any money further. So you can completely do free traffic just like I've been doing ever since I started my online business. Okay, guys, so for just $37, you're going to get huge amounts of value. Content locking, domains, landing pages, website traffic and marketing, Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing, TikTok marketing, and this course is going to be lifetime updated. So every time I find a new marketing method, just like Craigslist, I'm going to add it inside the course. Okay, so it's totally risk-free. There's a bunch of people that have been seeing good results with my course. This person made his first $100 in his first week. So guys, it's completely packed with value. So guys, make sure to check it out. It's the first link below this video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment below what you think, and hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next video.